Uh, Hi, Mom. Yeah, this is your adoring son. Yeah, I'm sorry I called so late. I, I just had a question for you. It's, yeah, Mom, it's been weighing on my mind for a while, so I thought I might ask you now. Uh, yeah, I'll tell it to you here. Here it is. Okay. Why did the chicken cross the road? No, Mom, this is not a trick question. No, Mom, this is a serious question. Why did the chicken cross the road? M- I mean, isn't it mind-boggling? I mean, why on earth would a chicken cross the road? I mean, uh, yeah, Mom, yeah, yeah, I'm doing fine. No, I'm not sick. Uh, so, so, so why, Mom? Why? Why? Why did the chicken cross the road? Mom, do you want me to ask for you to put Dad on? Oh, Dad's not there. Uh, so, so you don't know why? Oh, okay. Well, okay then. I'll, I'll talk to you later then. Yeah, Mom. No, Mom, I'm doing fine. Okay. Well, uh, said sorry you couldn't help me out. No, that's all right, Mom.